Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch the videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about auction insight reports in Google Ads. So without further ado, let's get started. So we are in the official documentation of Google about auction insight reports. So let's read what they say about it. The Auction Insights report lets you compare your performance with other advertisers who are participating in the same auctions that you are. The information can help you make strategic decisions about bidding and budgeting by showing you where you are succeeding and where you may be missing opportunities for improved performance. The Auction Insight report is available for search, shopping, and performance max campaigns. So we can see the statistics of Auction Insight report. So we have for search campaign and shopping campaign. So for the time being, I'm gonna be showing you for search campaign. So I'll click on search campaign. The Auction Insight report for search campaigns provides 6 different statistics: impression share, overlap rate, outranking share, position above rate, top of the page rate, and absolute top of the page rate. Okay, so let's get to know more about them. First one is impression share. Impression share is the number of impressions you received divided by the estimated number of impressions you are eligible to receive. Eligibility is based on your current ads, targeting settings, approval statuses, and quality scores. In the Auction Insight report, impression share also tells you the impression share of the advertisers as a proportion of the auctions in which you are both eligible to show. Next metric is overlap rate. Overlap rate is how often another advertiser's ad received an impression when your ad also received an impression. For example, if one of the other advertisers in your Auction Insight reports is showing 60% in the overlap rate column, this means that in 6 out of every 10 times your ad showed and an ad from this advertiser showed as well. Next one is outranking share. Outranking share tells you how often your ad ranked higher in the auction than other advertisers' ad, or if your ad showed when theirs didn't. For example, if one of the other advertisers in your Auction Insights report is showing 20% in the outranking share column, this means that your ad won over the other advertiser's ad. It can also mean that your ad showed when the other advertiser's ad didn't for 2 out of every 10 impressions that you are eligible to receive. Next one is position above rate. Position above rate is how often the other advertiser's ad was shown in a higher ad position than yours was when both of your ads were shown at the same time. For example, if one of the other advertisers in your Auction Insights report is showing 5% in the position above rate column, this means that the other advertiser's ad showed in a position above yours in 5 out of every 100 times your ads showed at the same time. Next one is top of the page rate. So top of the page rate tells you how often your ad or the ad of another advertiser, depending on which row you are viewing, was showing at the top of the page above the unpaid search results. For example, if you had 100 impressions, out of which 20 impressions appear in any of the position above the organic search result, the top of the page rate will be 20%. And the last one is absolute top of the page rate. Absolute top of the page rate tells you how often your ad or the ad of another advertiser, depending on which row you are viewing, was shown at the absolute top of the page as very fast and above the organic search result. For example, if out of 100 impressions, an ad has 10 impressions in which it appears as the first ad above the organic search results, the absolute top of the page rate will be 10%. Okay, So this is very important doc. I'm gonna share this link in the video description so that you can study further and learn more about auction insight reports. So let's see auction insight reports from Google Ads dashboard. Okay, so you can see we are in the auction insights dashboard. So here we can see the display URL domain. So this is you means your domain, and those are your competitors, you know. So you can get the ideas of your competitors from here as well. And you can see the metrics over here like impression share, overlap rate, position above rate, top of the page rate, absolute top of the page rate, and last one is outranking share. So you can see my ads got the highest amount of impression share. Okay, so this is for last 30 days data, and you can also see the overlap rate of my ads and my other competitors ad, position above rates, and top of the page rate. So you can see the uh, I have got 80% position above rate and absolute top of the page rate, you know, 37%. And you can see the other advertisers position above rate, and you can see outranking share. So I have beaten my advertisers those number of times, you know. So you can get the holistic idea of auction insights reports from this section. So hopefully you have a clear understanding on auction insights reports in our Google Ads. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day.